Hey YouTube, it's Shelly
and Andy,
and today Andy wants to make
Coquito.
This is like the Puerto Rican version of eggnog, and she's following the recipe of her favorite cheetah girl, who is
all things Adrian.
Oh, all things Adrian.
Adrian.
All things Adrian. Okay, Adrian. What's her last name?
Adrian Houghton.
Okay, we'll put the link to when her and her mom was making it, but we're gonna make it, even though we're gonna go get some in a couple of weeks on our cruise. Okay, grab those things, because we have these cute little Christmas tree thingamajiggies that we're gonna pour them in when we get done. We found these at Walmart. They're cute.
All of them?
No, just 2 is fine.
Okay.
So Andy's gonna show me how to make it because she watches Adrian, so she is making it. I'll just be here to assist.
Okay, so the first step, you have to strain your boiled water. It's 2 cups of cinnamon water into the bowl.
And it was 2 cups and she reduced it to 1 cup of cinnamon water. Oh, it worked fine. That's fine. Okay, put that on top of that. Put this. Need your mom. Okay. So
for the recipe, you're gonna need 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 cups of evaporated milk, not yet. 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and then for sweetener, you can do a can of cream of coconut. So we're gonna add the 2 cups of coconut milk first.
that's thick.
Yeah. I'll do that again.
Ooh,
chunky.
Ooh, ooh.
She's thick. Okay, next we're gonna add 2 cans of evaporated milk.
Ooh, that looks good either.
Hopefully they didn't give us bad cans.
Alright, and then next you're gonna add your 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk.
Literally, the thickest milk in the world.
Hope y'all can see this.
Looks like slime.
There's a lot in here.
That's good.
I got it all. It smells good.
It tastes kind of nutty. Like,
really?
Yeah. Taste it.
Okay, and then last we're gonna add our sweetened condensed coconut milk, or your cream of coconut. That's all they had in the store.
That does not look appetizing.
What?
That coconut milk.
Oh.
Mmm.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
It's like
It's
condensed
got coconut
milk.
oil chunks in it.
Oh, that tastes
It
good.
tastes good.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
She's
Now,
like, I don't know if I
we're
like
gonna
it.
mix it. Mix. Do you wanna mix it?
Did you want me to mix it? Sure.
Yeah, it's got like coconut oil chunks in it.
Can you see it?
I mean, zoom in.
Yeah. So they can see it.
Oh, you see Roxy.
Really?
That is thick. And we're gonna make the
Yeah, 'cause you
non-alcoholic.
said you don't want it to be the watery coquito.
Yeah, what's gonna thicken it? There's all this sweetness.
I think the condensed milk thickens it, and then it has to sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before you serve it.
Oh, and the coconut milk will probably, because it's when it gets cold. Okay.
It looks really thick already.
Yeah, it is thick. Oh,
And the original recipe, you can add white rum or any type of rum you prefer. But we're gonna do imitation rum because we have kids trying it, so.
is Hennessy rum? No?
I don't
A
know.
whiskey.
I think it's rum.
Oh.
It might be rum.
But I was gonna say, we still got some white Hennessy.
Yeah, I don't like Hennessy.
And then Roxy has
Oh, look. No more chunks.
Okay,
really?
So you mixed it to there's no more chunks.
pretty much.
Okay.
And mix it real good.
Yeah, it's like an eggnog. So did we put cinnamon? Oh no, it had cinnamon water.
Yeah, you can top it with cinnamon at the end, like when you're serving it.
With cream or something. We
When-
have Cool Whip.
when it's done,
Yeah.
you can.
Andy, we don't have to.
When you're done, you can make it pretty.
Yeah, on your own.
Okay. So now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator.
We gotta add our rum.
Oh, how much?
So since we're not doing the
Actual
liquid
rum?
rum, yeah, I guess it's just as much as you want.
A teaspoon. Usually you don't use too much.
Yo, it's gonna taste.
Yeah, there's no alcohol in rum extract, so
It's gonna taste like a
because it gives you that flavor of rum without the actual rum in there.
Okay, that's about a teaspoon.
Some more. It's a big bowl.
Yeah, but this is extract. You need to taste it first. You don't want it to be too strong.
Let me taste it. Let me smell it. Have we always had this?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now
Me and Daddy made eggnog creamer.
So now we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and then tune in
There's a
right
bonus.
after this so y'all can see us taste it on our advent calendar.
And now for the big pour. She is pouring the coquito. And there is Roxy trying to get the coquito.